The Oxheart carrot is an adaptable, easy-to-grow variety from France's golden age of market gardening in the 19th century. While urban farming may feel like a new trend, France has been on the cutting edge of urban food development for over 150 years. The latter half of the 19th century is known as a period of great local food innovation there, and the Oxheart carrot endures as a vegetable perfectly suited to small market and home gardens. Carrots are a delicious and rewarding crop, but they are also famously finicky about soil conditions. The Oxheart carrot has a tapered, bulky shape which helps the roots to thrive in a wide range of soils. Typical long, slender carrots will become forked or stunted when grown in poor soil, but not the Oxheart. Oxheart is also known as Heirloom. It was developed in Nantes, France in the 1870s. The legendary French seed house Vilmorin described it in Les Plantes Potagers as a variety very well suited for market garden culture and as a tender and well-flavored variety. In 1884, Heirloom was introduced as Oxheart carrot to American gardeners by two major seed houses, W. Atlee Burpee and J. H. Gregory. The Oxheart was named for its incredible size, which can grow to a pound or more, and its heart shape. Burpee described this half-long carrot as of fine quality that will prove of value in both family and market gardens. Burpee's goes on to mention that Oxheart is a great choice for maritime gardens, which makes sense given that Heirloom is a coastal town famous for its salt marshes. Since its introduction, the Oxheart has remained a staple in American home and market gardens. With their sweet flavor, the thick, meaty roots are a top choice for soups and stews. They also taste phenomenal eaten raw. Oxheart is a gift from market gardeners of the past to the small farming and home gardening renaissance today.